You searched how to buy shares of Texxon Holding Ltd. Texxon is an industrial energy company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NPT. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search field and type the ticker NPT to find Texxon Holding Ltd. Confirm the NASDAQ listing and select the matching stock entry. Open the stock page to review the company's summary and the price chart. Verify the profile and the NPT ticker to ensure this is the correct Texxon Holding Ltd. listing. Click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if your balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before final confirmation. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio. The link to eToro is in the description if you wish to follow the same illustrated steps.